So e-Nable is a national organization that hosts local chapters that are usually student-run at different universities or high schools. And e-Nable's goal is to help children with limb deficiencies, so they might be missing a digit or an entire hand, have access to a prosthetic that fits them, that is cheap and easy to have access to.
We both got it started in e-Nable like, separately, I guess. Chinwe started, my sister started junior or senior year. I saw her kind of like working on like some sort of prosthetic, something in her room. So when I came to Rice, we both noticed that, oh, there's not a chapter here, but we have so many resources. We have like the ODEC and the BRC and just the Moody Makerspace, and there's just so many 3D printers around campus, but there's like no initiative like or anything related to e-Nable, so we decided to start it ourselves.
Right after I had agreed to be their faculty mentor, I actually got an email from a doctor in the Texas Medical Center that was looking for a prosthetic for a boy that he works with. She said a bit of serendipity that like we were starting on the project and then someone reached out. And honestly, it's a bit of like a challenge for a first project just because of the way that our patient's limb deficiency is a little bit structured. So I guess it's a nice but necessary challenge that we're taking on right now. We have a surprise for you today. We're gonna head downstairs, okay?
He thinks he's here for a dentist appointment.
Oh! Well, we have something even better than a dentist appointment. Have you met Arinze before?
Yeah. You remember him?
You think you could open it?
What is it?
It's an excellent feeling. It feels nice to be able to see it from like start to finish, like the concept all the way to the final deliverable.
When he was born, it was kind of like there's nothing we can do type of thing. It was really hard, don't get me wrong, but as time started going by, Twitter, social media would bring up kids, you know, in different places that would get prosthetics having the same hand as him. So something told me make an appointment with him. And I did. I made the appointment. We came and it was just like, oh, like what a coincidence. Because that's the day that he told us that he was going to start this project.
Yeah, well, I'm a pretty mechanical guy, but I decided that that would have been a bit much for me to try to make all those. So it's great to have collaboration, though. It's just across the street, and we have these really bright young minds and a great engineering department here, so that's been really helpful for us.
I have no words, absolutely no words. There's nothing I can say in the world for me to let you guys know how much I thank you for this.